everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to turn a simple canned tuna into a really bougie restaurant quality meal. So I started eating a lot of canned tuna because of the amount of protein that is in it. So this one in particular has 18. I got this from Costco. There are times where I just don't really want to eat chicken. I eat eggs every day. So I'm just trying to think of different ways to get in protein. I love salmon, but salmon also gets really expensive. So another good alternative was tuna for me. So I personally think how you plate things is really important, and it can really elevate your meal to the next level. And when it's pleasing to the eye, I feel that it also helps with like the taste of it too. So we'll go ahead and use this mold that I have to make a really fancy egg salad tuna salad. Amazing. Crusty bits here. And we're done. Oh my god. Oh, that's amazing. This is so good. This is so protein heavy too. It's so good. Today I'm at my sister's house and I'm going to make everyone a tuna crispy rice salad. So this is something that I've seen on TikTok, this crispy rice salad. It looks really good. So I have some leftover white rice from when we ordered Chinese food. And it's been in the freezer, so I'm gonna thaw it a little bit. I left it out in the fridge, but it's still really hard in the center. And then we're gonna mix it with some of this and tuna and some edamame and some cucumbers and avocado, green onion and radish. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be a really good salad, so let's get started. Read the emotion that you most all resonate with. I love this animal. It's so cute. Are you happy? Right now. Before she... It's like 누룽지. More.
What the?
And I went. Actually, I didn't check him out.
Isn't the left lane?
Why was he following you?
I think it was just a coincidence, but.
That's not yours, don't worry. Yeah.
So distressed.
Sears is rigged.
My God. Oh, poppin'.
So some of these came out a little too crispy, but and it's ready. We have crispy rice and spicy tuna salad. Here you go. Kevin, do it all. Kevin, you should come here and eat all of this. Yeah? Do you know?